Hello everybody, I am the Craftacular creator and today I am sharing a process video for a tri-fold panel card. And no, you haven't time travelled your way into December, we are in the middle of June, but I have made a Christmas card. In this video I will be sharing how I use double-sided adhesive paper for a large word die and an easy way to create a tri-fold card. There will be also Copic Colouring and card assembly too. Before I begin, I would like to ask you to get clicky for Vicki. This is my own catchy way of asking you to like, share, comment and subscribe. For this card I used Lawnfawn Oh What Fun giant word die, the rooftop border die, Simply Celebrate Santa stamp set, Blue Jay, Pixie Dust, Gemstones Shimmer in Red, Stormcloud and Narwhal cardstock. I started by making life a little easier for myself. I know, this rarely happens. I attach a sheet of double-sided adhesive to the back of a piece of pixie dust and red shimmer cardstock. I then run this through the die cutting machine and I've made a sticker. I carefully peel away the white lettering and attach it to a piece of Blue Jay cardstock cut to A2 size. Then I take the red letter pieces and place them into the negative spaces. Honestly, this is so much easier than using liquid glue. Next, I take two A2 card bases and glue one and line it up with the other so that I end up with 3 panels. I then trim off a sliver on the right hand side so that it opens and closes smoothly. I attach my blue piece to the front panel. Off screen I die cut a second piece of Blue Jay cardstock with the Lawnfawn Starry Skies backdrop and attach this to another panel. I then die cut and build a rooftop with a chimney. I need a moon in the sky, so I take the moon die from the Lawnfawn Shadow Box Halloween add-on and cut this in grey shimmer cardstock. Off screen I stamped and die cut Simply Celebrate Santa, which features Santa and 4 reindeer and a very large present from Birthday Before and Afters. I used Copic alcohol markers for the colouring. As you will see, I chose traditional colours for all characters. The caps can be seen on the screen. With my images coloured and cut out, I place them on a card and then plan out the sentiments. The Simply Celebrate Santa set includes mini sentiments that can be put in a row of speech bubbles above the characters. I choose Hello Dear, Ho Ho Ho, Merry Christmas, To All, and finally, and To All. My intention is to have one more reindeer on the inside of the card who will say a good night. Here I add a little shadowing to the stamped speech bubbles and colour the reindeer using the same colours as before. With all elements ready, it's time to complete the assembly of the card. I need everything to be adhered flat for this one, so I just use liquid glue. I bravely stamp the inside of the card and then glue the final images inside too. Finally, I check everything looks good by opening the card up one panel at a time. And there it is, a tri-fold Christmas themed card. I will definitely make another one of these as I really enjoy the way it has hidden features. This card was inspired by episode 209 of Craft Roulette. The parameters can be seen on the screen. I have a trifold A2 card, traditional sleigh ride colours in red, green, brown and blue. The word fun is in the title, and the present on the roof is quite large compared to the reindeer in the centre. With mention of Craft Roulette and parameters, I have included a slide of what it is all about, and hope, if you haven't already, subscribe to Craft Roulette YouTube channel. It is so much fun. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to get clicky for Vicki. It would mean the world to me. Ta-ta for now everyone, take care and I will be back soon.